$6. Please buy everything we have in here. Thank you. $6,000. $6,000. $6,000. And like I said, if it was up to me, I would lock all of you in prison for 25 years to life with absolutely no parole. I cannot wait till the day that this becomes an actual... Oh! He's on my butt! He's on my butt! No! No, don't take me! No, don't take me! Ah! You know that's 25 to life, no parole, right? No phone calls, 500 calories a day. Yo, dude, it is literally this exact situation. You are the worst of humanity, and like I said... Let's just open, chat. Ladies and gentlemen, bills. Yay! Yeah! Yeah! Pay him out. Absolutely disgusting. You know what this reminds me of? Yo, 10 extra large pizzas. Appreciate the 5 gifted. You know what this reminds me of? Hey, McDonald's. Hey, McDonald's. Hey, McDonald's. What? Excuse me? What is all the pictures of? It's food. Yes, I don't have it with me right now. It cost $100. Mr. Krabs, I'll go get the money. Oh my! Oh my! Yo! Why does that actually go hard? Killing 25 million people, huh? Million? How did you even make this? What? Good stream.
Caseoh was seen yelling at a McDonald's worker, asking where his 100-piece chicken nugget meal with 10 large
100-piece
with 10 large fries and 5 large drinks was. Eyewitnesses report that Caseoh threatened that if he does not get his order within 5 minutes, he will get butt naked on top of the counter and throw it back in a circle. But thankfully, authorities arrived and arrested Caseoh. However, Caseoh was not able to be transported via the back of a police vehicle. He had to be taken to the police station being lifted by a crane.
Hey, Case, you're my favorite streamer, but you look like Pig God from One Punch Man. This is your last day in the stream. Oh! 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 I speak with nature. Speak to me, brethren! Oh! 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 Again! Woo! They spoke to me. They said there's danger afoot. Is that the secret formula?
Oh my god. Finally, after all these years, I'm about to find out what makes the Krabby Patty taste so good.
What? Blake! Blake! No! Oh, nah. My leg died! Wait, that's me! Oh, yeah.